Introduction. Demonstration. For this demonstration, team members will need dry ice, a plastic dewar, and a cup with a small amount of water in it. Pour half the dry ice into the plastic dewar. Then place the cup of water inside and pack dry ice around it. Set the demonstration aside to finish at the end of the lesson. Ask students to predict the outcome. Comparing dry ice to water ice, observing melting and sublimation. For this experiment, you will need dry ice, water ice, 2 plastic bags for each pair of students, and 1 plate for each pair of students. Begin by placing 1 piece of dry ice and 1 piece of water ice onto each pair's plate. Tell students to record their observations. Place a piece of dry ice into a bag and seal it. Place a piece of water ice into the bag and seal it. Again, tell students to record their observations. Physical changes involving dry ice in water. Each pair of students will need 1 plastic cup of water and a piece of dry ice. VSVS team members will place the dry ice into each pair's cup. Tell students to begin recording observations as soon as the dry ice is added. Chemical changes involving carbon dioxide and water. Experiment. The materials needed for this experiment are bromothymol blue, dry ice, and 1 cup of water for each pair of students. VSVS team members will add a squirt of bromothymol blue to each group's cup. Then another VSVS team member will add a piece of dry ice to the cup. Students should immediately record their observations. Demonstration. The materials needed for this demonstration are 2 plastic cups, 1 filled with rainwater and 1 with distilled water, and bromothymol blue. Add a squirt of bromothymol blue to each cup. Discuss observations with students. Frozen water demonstration. Retrieve the cup and dewar from the beginning of the lesson. Show students the water in the cup has frozen. Demonstration of CO2 as a fire extinguisher. For this demonstration, you will need a tea candle, matches, a cup of dry ice, and water. Pour the water into the dry ice. Then tip the cup to allow carbon dioxide to fall on the candle. Do not pour out the water.